It won't be long until the price of a single XRP token is valued at $500, $10,000, or even more. And suppose we are to follow the inklings of the world's famous billionaires like Steve Wynn and two others from the Dogecoin bandwagon, Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. In that case, XRP is set for the skies. Just as Mark Cuban had also said about investments in digital assets, and the best option right now is XRP. Even more, we have Mark Cuban hinting about a possible XRP explosion. So stick around for this and more news on this digital asset class as we take a deeper dive into the complicated yet exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to place for everything XRP. For those of you who are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. There are several tiers to choose from, which offer rewards ranging from special XRP Army stickers and a badge right next to your name, to personalized help with your portfolio. You can also sign up for our free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors. Due to its unique feature set and the propensity for worldwide adoption of XRP, considering its utility as a bridge currency in the upcoming central bank digital currency space, the price of the Ripple-based token is set to hit more extraordinary highs. According to these financial experts, XRP's adoption will lead to its explosion, and soon it'll reach $10,000 or even $35,000 for a single XRP token. I know some might ask why XRP is purported by financial analysts, billionaires, and crypto enthusiasts from around the globe as being the best investment option right now, given its ongoing legal battle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Well, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. The answers to all of those questions lie within this video. Also, don't forget to drop your suggestions, comments, or any further questions you might be having down below in the comment section. Now let's dive right into the main topic of discussion. In an interview with the CEO and founder of Real Version Finance, Raoul Pal, and the famed investor and entrepreneur Mark Cuban, star of Shark Tank, they had many things to say, a few of which I think we, the members of the XRP community, might find interesting. In this talk, Mark Cuban says that innovations and companies will emerge from this pandemic, creating America 2.0. According to Cuban, at the beginning of the pandemic, as awful as it's been, I talked about companies that we're going to look back on in 10 to 15 years that were created during this time. One of those things would be the evolution of blockchain technology and the companies that follow from it. The owner of the Dallas Mavericks further stated that what we're seeing right now with this communal effort and the foundation of blockchain-type applications that people stuck at home can use to try to make money just changed the game 180 degrees. Cuban goes even further on to establish the similarities between the blockchain space and what we had during the early days of the internet bubble, as he stated that it's like the early days of the internet, brand new, no one really knows what it's going to be. There's a lot of projections, he said. When we were starting AudioNet, that turned into broadcast.com, I can't tell you how many times everybody said, internet broadcasting? There's no chance. I don't need this internet craziness to do this. A lot of people thought we were crazy. And once the global macro strategist Raoul Pal makes an effort to pick his brains regarding the state of events in the crypto space right now, and international financial markets on the broader horizon, and if we are in some bubble, Cuban had the following to say. There's two types of bubbles in my mind. There are interest rate FED bubbles, and then there are people-driven buying bubbles. And depending on the asset, I think it's a little bit different. But for the most part, this is a FED-driven bubble more than it is anything else. You can't really compare this part of just stock prices to what we saw in the internet bubble, because interest rates back then were 4 or 5%, so people had risk-free alternatives. They could just put the money in a savings account and make money. So it was a personal choice to come in and buy. But on some of the collectible items, I think that there's joint responsibility. There's the money available from the FED, and there's people looking to get into a variety of different types of collectibles, whether it's crypto, whether it's trading cards, art, whatever it may be. According to the billionaire investor who pioneered the internet radio and online streaming space through the establishment of his co-owned company Broadcast.com, which later sold to Yahoo for a whopping $5.7 billion back in 1999, people don't want to know about what blockchain can do, what XRP is capable of, and what role it will play in the future. Just like they don't want to know about the internet, they don't understand blockchain technology. Mark Cuban did say it's like the early days of the internet, brand new, hence a lot of people do not understand its technology just yet. No one knows what it will be, as there are many optimistic projections and negative speculations regarding this asset class. In another interview, Mark Cuban talks about DeFi and over-collateralizing loans to help with the volatility in the crypto market, and this goes in line with a presentation by Ripple CTO David Schwartz from back in October of 2019 regarding the XRP Ledger stablecoin proposal. He said that DeFi is conveniently going to change how all businesses work. We can confidently assert that digital assets are considered a good investment, and the experts also say to invest in the evolving digital currency. XRP is most undoubtedly fraught with many advantages over many other cryptocurrencies out there on the market. It's intended to be used by major financial players, and its increasing adoption means that there's a lot of room for growth in XRP. Widespread adoption of this sort usually translates well for the price of any digital asset. And just as hinted by Mark Cuban, before investing in XRP, you must understand the technology that powers the Ripple network to garner a fair bit of understanding into what it is that you're getting into. Based on the ongoing legal tussle between Ripple and the SEC, Mark Cuban joins the army of XRP enthusiasts to criticize the US financial regulators. In a recent tweet, he said, "Watching CNBC and the guest who used to work at the SEC has absolutely no understanding of crypto, says there is zero utility. One certainty is crypto will continue to positively impact business more than the SEC. I'm happy to educate him on the applications we're developing." And this statement made by Mark Cuban was made shortly after John Reed Stark made a derogatory statement regarding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in an interview with the CNBC News Network a few days back. In his words, the supposed cybersecurity and digital regulatory compliance expert for the SEC had the following to say: "The volatility is unbelievable, and also what a lot of people miss is that there is no utility in Bitcoin or any other crypto. The only reason people own is hoping it will go up because someone else will buy it." Suffices to say that the development of blockchain technology, the underlying technology backing cryptocurrency platforms, reminds the billionaire of the early days of the internet, seeing that the evolution of blockchain and digital assets are slowly becoming the future trend for businesses and enterprises worldwide. Mark Cuban, who made a vast majority of his wealth at the height of the notorious .com bubble, also hinted that people don't care about being knowledgeable on the subject of blockchain. And this ignorance, fueled by the greed to invest and make some returns, has cost a lot of people a good amount of money. Investing in XRP with no prior knowledge increases your chances of incurring losses. And as Mark Cuban would have it, if you don't understand blockchain, it's going to smack you down and make you bleed. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can also join the channel as a paid subscriber for exclusive benefits, and you can also join the free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson. Hollywood Carson.